today I'm going to teach you on how you can fix a swollen laptop battery. Today you will learn how to fix a swollen laptop battery, and if you have any swollen battery, so I will teach you how you can fix them, and the battery will still be good and to be working perfectly. So remember to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop your comment on the comment section box. So let's go. So this is a laptop battery that is swollen. So you can see it, the battery is swelling up. So now I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First of all, you open beside it where the thing is swollen. This is open. So you find a pin. And open it. This is it.
We are going to give you a brand new battery.
So can you see it? Can you see it open? So this is it. Once you open it, then you find a sellotape or a gum. A sellotape or any sellotape, either paper sellotape or any sellotape. Then you sellotape it. So now the battery is now back to normal position. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and drop your comment in the comment section. So thank you.